Good afternoon, respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, and all my dear classmates. Myself, Shaurya Kumar Singh from class 10. Today, I am just going to represent you all my research on the topic of rock and minerals. Today, I have generally show you the three rocks which I have collected from various places. I just want to give you all a brief description on about their mineral composition, features and reasons where they find. So first of all, I want to say a very heartful thanks to my respected geography teacher, Ms. Malvi ma'am, who will giving me this brightly opportunity to express my feelings and research ability to understand and experience the nature of our world. So let's go to, I want to show my rocks collected. First of all, this rock which you will see this, the name of the rock is pegmatite. This is a kind of igneous rock and it is generally found in the states of Andhra Pradesh, Jharkhand and Rajasthan. The second rock which I have collected is mica pegmatite. This rock is a little bit complex composition of mica mineral. This is also found in the states of Rajasthan, Jharkhand and Andhra Pradesh. And the last one, which is called volcanic basalt stone. This is a type of igneous rock and this is also known as the magma crystallization process extracted rock. So now, I am going to describe you their functions, features and reasons where they find it. First, the pegmatite rock. It is a type of igneous rock. The mineral composition of this rock is quasar, feldspar and mica. The place from which I collected this rock is the Baliatur Hill. The pegmatite rock is also found in the regions of Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh and Jharkhand. In Rajasthan, the state which is the largest producer of the pegmatite stone, in the districts of Ajmer, Udaipur, Bhilwara, Alwar, the Rajasthan accounts for about 66% of India's total feldspar production, primarily found in the long mineral belt which is Rajsamand to Ajmer. In Andhra Pradesh, which is known as the India's largest mica reserve, about 41% mica is extracted from the Andhra Pradesh. Nellore, which is the famous belt of Andhra Pradesh, from where crude and mica minerals are extracted. Quasar and feldspar is primarily also found in Nellore, Prakasama and Kadapa. Now, I move to mica pegmatite rock. This is also type of an igneous rock, which is a little bit metamorphic. The name of this rock is mica pegmatite and it is historically used for making sheet mica. This rock is mainly consists of three minerals, which is called quasar, biotite, feldspar. I collected this rock from the Tisri block of Giridih district of Jharkhand. In India, mica pegmatite is widely found in the regions of Nellore mica belt, Andhra Pradesh, Jaipur Raipur belt, Rajasthan, Chota Nagpur plateau belt, Jharkhand and Bihar. In the Chota Nagpur plateau belt, the finest mineral of ruby mica is extracted. Now, I am going to show you the last stone but not least, the volcanic basalt stone is a type of igneous rock. This This rock is mainly formed by the process of magma crystallization, and this rock contains mainly four kinds of minerals, which is Flagosclase, feldspar, pyroxene, olivine, which is rich in iron and magnesium. I collected this rock from the Hundu Fall of Ranchi district of Jharkhand. This basalt stone, this volcanic basalt stone, is primarily found in the regions of India are in Deccan Trap region, which includes Maharashtra, the Gilbert Hills, in Madhya Pradesh, the Malwa Plateau region, in Gujarat, the Saurashtra and Kutch peninsular areas, in Karnataka, the western and northern parts of Karnataka state, primarily in the Santanari Island. In Jharkhand, the Sahibganj Rajmahal traps is famous for the volcanic basalt stone. So, this is some type of my researches on the rocks and about minerals which I collected, and I want to say a glad, thankful and my gratefulness to my geography teacher Malti ma'am, because she is the only person who will inspire me, who will give me the potential, who will give me the idea to work on this presentation.